Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and in this video we are going to learn how to create custom headers, footers and blocks for our website using the Elementor page builder and the Elementor custom header, footers and custom blocks template plugin. To do that, we need to go over to the left where it says plugins. We are going to click on Add New, and on the plugin search bar we are going to type Elementor header, and this is the one we are going to use. Elementor header, footer and block templates will allow us to create some templates for the header, footer and blocks and select where we want them to be seen. So we are going to click on install now, and then we are going to click on activate. And now we are going to go to the left bar once again, and on appearance we have new options: header, footers and blocks. So we're going to click on that, and we have to go to the top which is Elementor header, footer and blocks templates, and we are going to click on Add New, and we are going to give it a title, header 1. It works mostly like creating a page, and on the type of template we are going to select header. We are going to select where it's displayed, and we have several options. We have basic, entire website, all singulars, all archive, and we have special pages, post pages, my templates, and so on. So in this case we are going to special pages, and we are going to select the front page, and we can add more display rules or select an exclusion rule, and we can select where it's not going to be displayed. So we are going to select the 404 error page, and for the user roles we can select to be shown to all users, log in user, log out, or for the advanced, the different roles that the users can have in our website. So we are going to select all, and we can add some more rules. So we are going to the right, and we are going to click on publish, and now we are going to click on edit with the Elementor, this button right here, and there we go. Now this will work mostly like creating or editing any page with Elementor. We can add some widgets, so we are going to add a menu. To here we are going to add the navigation menu, and we are going to select one of the menu we have created previously. So we are going to go with the main menu, and we're going to give the title menu 1, and we are going to the lower left, and we are going to click on the update button. There we go. Now we click on the hamburger menu, and we are going to click on exit to the dashboard, and we are going to the top name of the site, and we are going to click on visit site. And as you can see, we have a menu. We have the menu we have added to our custom header with the title and the menu that we have added. We could have added any kind of widget, and it will be seen right here. So that's it. We have learned how to create custom header, footers and blocks for our website using the Elementor page builder and the Elementor custom header, footers and blocks plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Polytech.